This is Novo 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 3. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game today?
I'm not feeling very well, man. Problem, Kuwena offside. Mostly what that offside coming from?
Which one? The last one?
The last goal. Very offside. But we don't know where does that offside coming from.
Yeah, it came from the guy, the player who scored the goal.
It's coming from the guy who scored the goal.
Yeah.
Okay, if it's like that, we would like to thank Magesi. He did very well. If it's like that, because we didn't.
No, it's like that. Yeah. But you'll see it on Monday. Again, normally we wait for Monday, but you'll see it when Hlungwane says Silo Sama Nyonyo there.
Yeah, and I'm in Hlungwane.
Yeah. Oh, Hlungwane.
Input on me.
Nice.
So now a lot of wrong I want okay, the agro offset now. Because now we get take decision. Why? Because we did see once.
Yeah, but for now, I second that offside. Nothing. Starting line, I'm showing. Were you happy about shot?
I'm not happy. Why? Because Monofana Maswanganyi is the first person who used to about the first line. Yeah. So I'm not happy go for sure now, because most of the time, logo itanga in. It's like Maswanganyi. Maswanganyi is the first person who used to play. Yeah, and a bit disappointed in Maswanganyi. Angakona la yeah. And most of the time, most people must look at Tanga and Tanga Maswanganyi.
Exactly. It's
the first person, if I'm not with Tanga and I got the first half. Yeah. There's some come not goal that if you Korean second half. Maswanganyi is the one who passed the young man. Bargemanu Mfugen. Yeah, and I created those two goals.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I'm a bit disappointed. Look, can come because most of the time in Maswanganyi yana create the goal most of the time. Mara anyway coach but
maybe what they were practicing a training but train njani maybe Maswanganyi are sharp maybe training
angweka ingasivula sweswo like kumbexani yena ivi angweka mara hina ni most of the time Maswanganyi you have to be a good player. He has got to create that goal. And before 90 minutes, he's the one who created the goal. He's the one.
Yeah, I say maybe in future, but I'm created the goal.
Yeah, but most of the time, I tell you, Monofana na Maswanganyi. Second half, white lang. Mara anga 86, anga fikis maku. Mara elava leso sokuri Maswanganyi it's just that abakaral. After creating the goals.
Oh yes.
You know, Fana Karala and then you take a page and replace. I could regain at the last time. Because Locombona Gamiana Motaner is the one who create those goals.
Exactly.
Locombona said goal that Merisuka Yakam goal.
Exactly.
Nalia in our offside, even the way.
No, I say in future meta langa sharp and all the best in future.
Mara, well done to Orlando Pirates. Guys, we lose the game, but we and we did the best. We scored 2 goals. And the most of the time got palata too much. And I like to say come on one-on-one. Most of the time Pirates once he got the palata 2, 3 tangen.
And
offside. Marane Pirates did the well. And the coach I can never say coach will bad. Coach will be right. Kobakuri I'm gonna like right. She from Sana like she so far now Samsana like I'm a black label. I had a black label now.
And I'm sure MTNA.
It's not about the ratio really. We have to keep on going. Yeah, we have to keep on going. And I'm even a bad luck. And well done to Magesi. He play very well. Yeah. And then Kumbeshani. Magesi ay tersamay nga tersimor ko ba like tlay ko
exactly
ngande losing
no thanks my brother.
See on Tuesday yatlanga na Super Sports la Orlando Stadium.
All the best.
Nge lose kambere kulandelela na Themba Pirates.
Hola.